Good day, Sir Abdul Jabbar Dimar. I am a Larry Bird Dikit, a third year student of criminology student from CMC, from CMC Section 7 with a class schedule of 7:30 to 8:30. Bago to matapos ang video, sir, sana we will learn about Criminal Law Book 1. Okay, classical theory. The classical theory of a criminal law originating in the Enlightenment posits that individuals possess rational free will and make hedonistic choices to maximize pleasure and minimize pain. Therefore, criminal acts are a product of free will and punishment should serve as a deterrent by imposing pain infinitely greater than anticipated pressure of the crime. Key tenets to include rationality, human rights, due process, and a focus on retribution for the criminal act itself. Classical theory, sir, is the, sabi mo dati, sir, di ba, human free will. Yung isang tao, sir, di ba, kaya niyang kaya niyang gawin yung lahat ng gusto niya kahit labag na sa batas, pero yung batas kaya panagutan siya sa batas kasi halimbawa sir, nagawa siya ng kasalanan, halimbawa gusto niya pumatay ng tao diyan sa labas, pero yung batas nakaano pa rin sa kanya. Yun ang sa classical theory. And then ang susunod sa classical theory, sa susunod sa classical theory, sir, is positivist theory na sir. Positivist theory. In a criminal law, the positivist theory or positivist school in a criminal alerts that a criminal behavior is caused by factor beyond as individuals' free will, such as a biological, psychological, or social influences, and rather than rational choices. This contrasts with the classical school, which sees a crime as a product of free will positivism, therefore suggests a focus on treatment and reform of the offender based on these determining factors rather than solely on punishment. Positivist theory, sir, is ano, sir? Yung mga taong sir. Yung mga taong nakagawa ng kasalanan, sir, dahil sa kahirapan. Halimbawa, sir, yung mga taong sir, nalubog na talaga sa kahirapan, siyempre gusto na talaga nila gumawa ng kasalanan. Halimbawa, magnakaw, sir, para sa pamilya. Para mabuhay lang sila, sir. Yun ang ginagawa nila para Yun po ang positivist theory. Next po. Cakiness of positivist theory. Determinism. Criminal acts due process to force beyond their control. Whatever these are inherent physical and a psychological characteristic, internal, social, and environmental condition. Scientific approach. The theory emphasizes a scientific is a empirical approach to studying crime, looking for causes and influencing factors, focus on the offender. Rather than the act itself, positivism examines the characteristics and the circumstances of the individuals who commits the crime. Treatment and reform, the goal of legal system should be to treat or reform the offender by addressing the underlying causes and of their behavior, with punishment being a secondary consideration. Contrast with a classical theory views individuals as a rational actors who use free will to weigh the benefits costs of the crime. Positivist theory na naman tayo, sir. Positivist theory argues that individuals may not act rationally due to biological, psychological, or social constraints which influence their action. Nandun na talaga, sir, ang mga action nila. Siyempre, paglubog ka na talaga sa kahirapan, sir, magagawa ka talaga ng kasalanan. Depende na lang yun sa tao, sir, kung gusto nila, kung gusto ba gumawa ng mang ng ano sir, ang gumawa ng kasalanan or gumawa na lang ng pata sa buhay. And then under the positivism, biological factors, genetic predisposition or physical characteristic associated with criminality as suggested by early positivists like Cesar Lombroso, psychological factors with abnormalities, personality disorders, or poor emotional intelligence that can lead to impulsive and irrational behavior. Nandun na talaga sa sir, behavior na talaga. Depende talaga sir kung nandiyan na, depende talaga sa tao sir kung nasa kanya talaga o yung pagiging magnanakaw talaga, or depende lang talaga sa tao sir kung nandiyan na sa sarili niya talaga. Next. Wala na to sir, tapos na to. Dito naman tayo sa electric or mixed theory sir. Electric or mixed theory is a legal philosophy, especially with criminal law, that combines different approaches, most notably the classical and positivist theory. Bali na combine sila sir. Bali ang ano sir, ang na-combine yung ano sir, positivist at classical sir. Yung mga magnanakaw, yung magnanakaw na nagnanakaw sa mayayaman na pamilya sir para ibigay sa kahirapan. Yun ang ginagawa sa ano sir, electric bagi, nag-combine sila. It suggests that some crimes such as those with economics or social causes should be handled with a more compassionate positivist approach, while others, particularly more serious and heinous crimes, should be addressed with the classical retributive mindset. The Philippine Revised Penal Code is a prime example of the mixed philosophy, where factors like offenders' age, intoxication can mitigate punishment, while the concept of capital punishment reflects classical ideals. Yon, example sir, ito sa ano, ang pinaghalong tsura na maaring maglapat ng mga klasikanang prinsipyo na nakatuon sa malayang pagpapasya at pananagutan ng seryosong krimen, abang gumagamit ng positivistang prinsipyo na isinasaalang-alang sa panlipunang at pang-ekonomiyang mga salik para sa hindi gaanong malalang mga krimen upang bigyan daang ang mas mahabaging na asistensya. Excuse sir, yun na pause lang ako sir. Utilitarian theory sir is a criminal law. The theory of consequentialist theory justifies punishment based on positive consequences for society. That solely offenders wrongdoing sa goals prevent future crimes, incapacitating and deterring others by rehabilitating individuals to become more productive members of society. This theory, developed by Jeremy Bentham and John Stuart Mill, evaluates punishment based on overall utility or benefit to the community, a measure that requires balancing the pain caused to the offender against the pain and harm prevented for society. Ito naman sir, depende. May mga taong may taong mayaman na nagnanakaw pa rin para maging mayaman. Like ano sir, ng politiko sir, ninanakaw niya yung mga inibigay sa gobyerno sa kanila. Naging ano sila sir, naging mayaman talaga sila sir. Imbis na ibigay yun sa komunidad, sa sarili lang yung iniisip nila. Kaya yung mga kahirapan sir, gumagawa ng krimen. Nagnanakaw sila sir para may kain ng kanya, para may papakain silang kanyang pamilya. Gagawin lahat sir. Yun sir. Examples. Rehabilitation programs of offenders like alcohol recovery for drunk drivers to make them as members of society, finds community service to deter others from similar crimes, imprisonment to incapacitate dangerous criminals, and project the public and in claim cases the death penalty to prevent a non-murderer from harming anyone else to serve as a deterrent. Okay sir, dito naman tayo sa Malainsi sir. Malainsi is refers to acts at inherently evil or wrong by their very nature regardless or whether they are prohibited by law. There's offenses violate moral principles and are universally commended characteristics. Ito sir, Malainsi sir. Malainsi is crimes. Malainsi crimes involves acts immoral or harmful such as murder, rape, theft, or arson. This is a condition wrong by natural law, more standards just by situation statutory prescription. Ito yung mga Malainsi niya, mga crucial na ano sir, mga kaso sir talaga sir. Like acts Malainsi generally involves moves depravity reflecting a corrupted mind, evil intent, mens rea. Yung mens rea sir is a present of mens rea. The criminal intent is often a fundamental element of liability, universal recognition. Malainsi crimes are almost universally regarded as wrong resident of legal jurisdictional boundaries. Okay, penalty sa Malainsi sir. Penalties of Malainsi crimes I serve as a reflecting grave nature. Example include long imprisonment, life sentence, or capital punishment. Pag makasalanan ka sa Malainsi sir, murag dyan na talaga. Pag makulong ka, habang buhay ka na talaga. Pag nagagawa ka na nun. In a statutory codification, all taught Malainsi acts are inherently wrongful. Their codification in a penal statutes clarifies their elements and penalties. Ito ay example ko sa Malainsi sir. Crimes, murder, rape, robbery, fraud, assault, legal principle, applicable, mens rea requirement. Okay. Prosecution. Must prove present a guilt, might intend commit a crime. Example, a murder case. Proving a malice aforethought of premeditation. Defenses of justification. And excuses by mitigate criminal liability. Moral consideration. Court often consider of moral culpability of the accused with determining guilt of sentencing. Ito, mala prohibita definition. Mala prohibita refers to acts are not inherently evil but are deemed unlawful solely because there are prohibited statute, regulation, ordinance, statutory provision. The wrongfulness of the act arises solely from its being prohibited by law. Without the statute, the act would not be criminal. No moral turpitude. Mala prohibita acts typically do not involve more depravity or evil intent, liability, or arise even without mens rea. As sa mala prohibita opens a considerate strict liability crimes, public policy objective. The primary purpose of criminalizing mala prohibita acts to regulate behavior for the protection of public health, safety, order, or welfare. Penalty are often life term compared o Malainsi obsessed relating to deter specific behavior written down punishment inherent moral wrongfulness. Example of mala prohibita crimes: violation of traffic laws, non-compliance with tax regulation, illegal possession of firearms, unauthorized construction or zoning violation, failure to secure requirement of permits, and legal principles applicable. Mens rea not always required. Some law prohibita offenses are restricted liability crimes when inherent or knowledge is irrelevant to liability. Example, sir, driving under influence even without intent to harm purpose of prohibition. Cause of focus whether the statute was violated regardless to intent as some primary goal is enforcement of regulatory objectives. Defenses revolve around procedural and technical compliance with the law. Key distinction between mala in se and mala probita. Aspects mala in se and mala probita. Definition: acts inherently wrong, evil, or wrong, evil acts criminalized or statutory prohibition. Basis of criminality: natural law, morality, positive law or regulation. Mens rea requires, dito natin example natin sir. Mens rea murder, maro lang gyapon, ganun lang gyapon sir. Murder, rape, robbery, traffic violations, penalty served, typically lighter, public perception, universally condemned, dependent of legislative goals. Significance of justice of jurisprudence application of mala in se. The revised penal codes of the Philippines primarily deals with mala in se crimes. These crimes are proof intent are subject to the principle of criminal responsibility under RPC. Application of mala probita special laws and administrative regulation often create mala probita offenses in the Philippines. Example, the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act RA 9165, Anti-Money Laundering Act 9160, Traffic and Transportation Law RA 4136 for motor vehicles, and judicial interpretation People versus Simon 1995 distinguish between mala in se and mala probita crimes to purpose to applying penalties and rules of evidence. Luzon Stevedoring Corporation established that absence in inherent mala probita offenses is not defense in the statute imposes strict liability. Retreat People and Morales 2017. Retreated the criminal intent is not element of mala probita crimes but emphasize adherence to statutory required rules of prosecution. The prosecution must be careful determined whether an act constitutes mala in se or mala probita, as this affects the elements required for conviction and nature and available defenses. Conclusion lang sir, last. Understanding the distance between mala in se and mala probita is a proper interpretation application of Philippine criminal law. This distinction influences not only prosecution of cases but also legislative intent and judicial reasoning. Lawyers, judges, and legislators must remain vigilant in applying these principles to uphold justice and fairness. That's all sir. Mga ilang kong cancer nga, paano akong cancer, busis, napaos talaga. Mga ilang ko, mga manghingil ako lang, ano sir, kunting excuse ng kan. Akala ko hindi ko makaya sir. Yun na lang sir, that's all. Thank you sir. Salamat.